Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Golden Levi's MD Talks, where we discuss about some management aspects and how to apply these aspects in our day-to-day personal and professional life. My name is Rupinder Khurana, and I am the founder and CEO of www.goldenlevi's.com. And today's topic for the video is how the artificial intelligence is a revolutionizing concept for companies, countries, employees, and entrepreneurs. So before we begin the video, please subscribe to this channel to receive regular updates about new aspects of professional management systems. Now, let us begin the topic. The topic for today's discussion is how the implementation of artificial intelligence is a revolutionizing concept for companies, countries, employees, and entrepreneurs. Now, let us first understand what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a wide range branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging tool that enables people to rethink how we integrate information, how we can analyze the data, and use the result insights to improve decision making, and already it is transforming every walk of life. Now, let us understand what are the four types of artificial intelligence. The four types are reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and then self-awareness. So we have come across the artificial intelligence examples in our day-to-day life, which can be all around us. You all must have heard about Siri or Alexa or electronic assistants. You must have seen self-driving cars, robo-advisors, or you must have come across the email spam filters, the artificial intelligent email filters who automatically detect spams and they send them to your spam folders. Recommendations. So this is another form of AI. Whenever you search for a particular topic on Google, and instantly when you open Facebook or any other social networking site, the artificial intelligence will start giving you recommendations about the topic that you have searched for in the Google or any other search engine. So how does the AI work? AI is a branch of computer science that aims to answer questions in affirmative. It is endeavor to replicate or simulate human intelligence. The expensive goal of artificial intelligence has given rise to many questions. So much that no single definition of the field is universally accepted. See, we cannot accept that AI is just a branch of computer science. AI has vast branches, so we cannot contain the topic of artificial intelligence into just one single definition. Now, four different approaches that have defined the field of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence approaches the solution in four different approaches. They are thinking humanly, thinking rationally, acting humanly, and acting rationally. Okay, now we have a fair idea of what AI is all about. So we can conclude AI as AI can be summarized as algorithms. AI is not a machine sitting on a computer and doing the hard work, right? AI can be summarized as algorithm. They are multi-level pages of charts or codings that are done, enabled by constraints, exposed by representation that support models or loops. Now, let's not go into the complete programming part. Broadly speaking, artificial intelligence are bigger algorithms that help the human beings for a better search over the internet or the work that has to be done. While the definitions may seem abstract to average person, they help us focus the field and area of computer science and provide a blueprint for infusing machines and programs with machine learning and other subsets of artificial intelligence.
The system goes online on August 4th, 1997. Human decisions are removed from strategic defense. Skynet begins to learn at a geometric rate. It becomes self-aware at 2:14 a.m. Eastern Time, August 29th.
Okay, we must have seen not many science fiction movies, so let us see a small scene from the movie The Terminator Part 2. It will broadly help us to understand what is artificial intelligence and how does it help the human to achieve these certain goals. Now, now see in this movie, the Terminator is a cyborg, which is a half human and half machine sent from the future to save John Connor. Now, in this scene, we are seeing that the Terminator explains to Sarah Connor with this dialogue. The system goes online August 14, 1997. Human decisions are removed from strategic defense. Skynet begins to learn at a geometric rate. It becomes self-aware at 2:14 Eastern Time, August 29. So this is a maybe it's a science fiction movie, but then again, it's a part of artificial intelligence, how it is helping the human beings. Now, see, let us understand how the artificial intelligence will transform business and the countries. Now, you must have seen the examples of artificial intelligence on an ongoing basis. Either it's Alexa or it's a Siri. So, artificial intelligence are basically part of machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most common types of artificial intelligence in the development for business purposes. Machine learning is primarily used to process large amounts of data very quickly. These types of artificial intelligence are called algorithms. Now, in the previous topic, we have learned the artificial intelligence runs with the help of algorithms. Now, what are algorithms? These are large amounts of data that help the artificial intelligence to appear to learn over the time, getting better day by day, and do what they do. Now, how does the artificial intelligence help us in the businesses? Rather than serving as a replacement of human intelligence, artificial intelligence is generally seen as a supporting tool. So we should not be petrified that the AI, with the advent of AI, the human beings are going to be replaced by the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is seen as a supporting tool. Now, artificial intelligence can uh, do do or analyze the data far quickly than the human brain, and then can return with synthesizes course of action and present them to the human user. Now, where it takes about if I give you an example where it takes about 10 human beings to analyze the data in a 24 hours day of time, with the advent of artificial intelligence, the same amount of data can be analyzed in just about 4 hours. So it's time saving concept. Artificial intelligence is also changing customer relationship management, CRM as we call it. Now, coming to softwares like Salesforce or Zoho, we must have used these CRMs in our offices or workplaces, or some of you might still be using the Salesforce or Zoho CRMs. Now, they are heavy human intervention and they are very accurate. But when you apply AI to these platforms, a normal CRM system transforms into self-updating, auto-correcting, and stays on top of your relationship management. Now, how the AI is used in finance. A prominent example is taking place in stock exchanges, where high-frequency trading by machines has replaced the human decision making. So, how the AI is helping to human beings to make quick decisions into the sector of finance. Now coming to how AI is helping the human beings in the defense. The big data analytics associated with AI will profoundly affect intelligent analysis as massive amounts of data are shifted in real time. Now, it says that the AI will provide commanders and the staff a level of intelligent analysis and productivity which is unseen. Command and control will be affected as human commanders delegate certain routine in a special circumstances, key decisions to AI platform. Now coming to the healthcare, how the artificial intelligence is helping the human beings into the healthcare. With deep learning, the AI can train the computers on datasets to learn what the normal looking versus an irregular appearing lymph node is. We can feed the data into the computer system about human body, what is a healthy human body versus what is a unhealthy human body. After doing that, through imaging exercise and the accuracy and labeling, specialists can apply the knowledge to actual patients and determine the extent to which someone at risk can be cured. So this is how we do it. The doctors and the specialists can feed the data into the computer about how a healthy human body looks like, and then AI can use that data and can analyze the healthy body, human body, from the unhealthy human body and can give the accurate results. So this is how the AI is helping the human beings in the healthcare. Okay, now coming to the transportation, how the artificial intelligence is helping the human beings in transportation. Transport, AI and machine learning are providing major innovations like autonomous vehicles like cars, trucks, buses, and drone delivery. Autonomous vehicles are driverless cars or driverless buses use advanced technological capabilities. These features include automated vehicles, guidance and braking. Now suppose there's a speed breaker on the road. See, and if the person is traveling in a driverless car, the AI can automatically detect that, okay, fine, there's a pothole and can reduce the speed. There's a speed breaker and can reduce the speed. For example, there's a small child standing in the middle of the road. With the help of artificial intelligence, the driverless car will absolutely stop the car so as to prevent any kind of a damage or any kind of an accident. So this is how the AI is helping the human beings in transportation. Now coming to the artificial intelligence can also promote digital education and workforce development. Now, how the AI is helping the employees. AI application accelerate across many sectors. It is vital that we reimagine our educational institutions for a world where AI will be ambiguous and students need a different kind of training than they currently receive. So, with the advent of artificial intelligence, the school, colleges, and the other educational institutes will have to upgrade their courses so that the students get the updated knowledge of the artificial intelligence and how to apply the artificial intelligence into day-to-day life for making the life easier and better. Now, coming to the healthcare sector, how the artificial intelligence is helping the human beings in the healthcare sector. There are certain robots built by the Hanson Robotics. So these robots are helping the human beings. Some of the robots are Sophia robot. This is a humanoid robot developing by the Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics.
Hi, Sophia. How are you?
Hi there. Everything is going extremely well.
Do you like talking with me?
Yes, talking to people is my primary function.
Hanson Robotics develops extremely lifelike robots for human-robot interactions. We're designing these robots to serve in healthcare, therapy, education, and customer service applications. So the robots are designed to look very human-like, like Sophia.
I'm already very interested in design, technology, and the environment. I feel like I can be a good partner to humans in these areas, an ambassador who helps humans to smoothly integrate and make the most of all the new technological tools and possibilities that are available now. It's a good opportunity for me to learn a lot about people.
Sophia is capable of natural facial expressions. She has cameras in her eyes and algorithms which allow her to see faces, so she can make eye contact with you. And she can also understand speech and remember the interactions, remember your face. So this will allow her to get smarter over time. Our goal is that she will be as kind.
Okay, now see, this is Sophia, a humanoid general intelligence robot. Sophia robot has been developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Sophia was activated on February 14, 2016, making its first public appearance in March 2016 in Austin, Texas, United States. Now, Sophia has been covered by media around the globe and has participated in many high-profile interviews. Now see, this is a second robot, Ameka of UK. So now let us understand how the artificial intelligence is helping the human race in the entertainment industry. See, do you remember this Terminator bike scene from the Terminator Salvation movie? Now, the artificial intelligence is changing how we commute and experience urban living. AI is planning AI is playing an increasing role in successful schemes and enabling the operators. Now in reality, the artificial intelligence enabled bikes, concepted by leading bike companies, and instead of motorbikes, they are called motorbots. See, have a look at this video.
We wanted to create a new Kando experience based on our Jinky Camera user machine Unity ideal. We started by first asking ourselves what form a Jinky Camera machine might take in the near future. First, Motorola is capable of recognizing a person's face and body movements. This is achieved through use of AI. And second, it can act autonomously and move around on its own. The auto-balance control system we call ANSYS is based on very simple logic, but actually executing it was extremely challenging. Still, it's one breakthrough we've made.
you remember a science fiction movie Robocop? It was a story of half man, half machine who fights the crime in Detroit City. Okay, see a small clipping of the movie.
Somehow, he's overriding the system's priorities.
The human element will always be present. Compassion, fear, instinct, they will always interfere with the system.
Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
So, my main purpose showing you the clipping of the movie is now, owing to the advent of artificial intelligence, Dubai now has a real Robocop, which is an robot patrolling the city as a police officer. The first operational police officer was officially inducted in Dubai. The robot, or it is known as a Robocop, is around 5 foot and weighs around 100 kgs. It cannot only identify hand gestures from a distance of 1.5 meters, but it can also detect people's emotions and facial expressions. In other words, Robocop can tell you when you are happy, sad, or even smiling, and will itself respond accordingly to put people at ease. Now, have a look at the small clipping of the Dubai's Robocop.
The robot has some autonomous behaviors, like this, can start conversations, do some gestures, interact with the people, and if not, also you can teleoperate it with a tablet. It has like lots of buttons to say predefined sentences, or you can write your own, or you can use little movements he has. You can drive him around. He can also make a map of wherever he is, and you can set names to the places, and then he can just travel there by himself.
So, with all the help that artificial intelligence is providing to the human race, let us not forget that the implementation of artificial intelligence has created more job opportunities. For example, the demand for man-machine hybrid teams, the future of employment will depend upon how well human beings and artificial intelligence can blend together to create augmented hybrid teams. Worldwide employment by the advent of artificial intelligence, the company that effectively implement AI can generate more money for their businesses. AI role in marketing and sales. AI has already started playing substantial role in marketing and sales through the development of smart databases. AI will create new job positions. AI will create demand for new job positions for AI to function properly. Humans will need to check work, improve it, and manage it. AI in robotics. The area of robotics will see massive growth in the next years to come. Artificial intelligence based robots, such as stationary robots, non humanoid land robots, and fully automated aerial drones, are gaining significant businesses interest from companies globally. AI in healthcare. A Healthcare is one area where there is a lot of scope for artificial intelligence applications. It is estimated that it would be one of the biggest winners from AI, where job opportunities could increase by nearly 1 million. AI in gaming industry. The gaming industry is one area where the AI applications are immense, right from the game design and development and in-game operations and maintenance. Artificial intelligence plays an indispensable role in reaping huge rewards for gaming companies. AI in financial services. Financial services companies such as banks require AI engineers to develop systems and can identify and mitigate fraud. Then can eliminate the fraud into banking system. Now AI in entertainment industry. So we have seen an example of a small clip of a movie Terminator Part 2. So this is how AI will be helping the entertainment industry. AI and machine learning have been massive potential in the entertainment industry. Streaming services companies such as Spotify, Amazon Prime, Netflix are already using AI technology in their business model. So when the Netflix or any other Spotify or Amazon Prime channel they start giving you recommendations, it is based upon your previous search into their model, into their search engine, so that it helps the human being to understand that okay, fine, this is your search model, and since how you can do your effective search in the days to come. AI and digital assistants such as Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa are getting smarter day by day. Global IT behemoths such as Google, Samsung, and Amazon are pouring billions of dollars into making digital assistants perform complex tasks. Okay, these tasks can include learning about daily routines, speech recognition, etc. Now, to summarize, that the world is in the cusp of revolutionizing many sectors through artificial intelligence and data analytics. These are already significant deployments in finance, national security, healthcare, criminal justice, transportation, and smart cities that have altered the decision making business models, risk mitigations, and system performance. So, from all the things that we have discussed in this small video article, don't you think that does it not look like that we are living in the era of science fiction where all the gadgets and science fiction movies come to life in the present reality? But see, AI may well be a revolution in human affairs and has now become the single most influential human innovation in the history. Thank you very much.